Welcome to Agilence Case Management. Agilence Case Management is an easy-to-use, simple-to-learn case and incident management system, helping your team centralize your data and collaborate to be more efficient and more accurate. The power of case management lies in both the simplicity of creating cases and in the power of visualizations. Being able to visualize and see where all of your cases stand at a glance is incredibly powerful. Here we see the Kanban view. This is the board in Agilence Case Management. For the simple workflow, open, in progress, and closed all of the cases in our system that fall into this workflow. We can even see of a separate workflow with a supervisor review all of the cases as they move through this workflow. Users can visualize as a case moves through the process, or they can open up a case with a simple click to see all of the information and take action. Here in case 13, we see we have an internal incident. We can attach a file, add a subtask, or add to the information we see below. In our General tab, we have an overview and a narrative for this case. We can even see the subject information and store information organized neatly into additional tabs. At the bottom of our screen, we see two subtasks, one already completed and one as a transaction notification. Below, we see our comments and our history for the case. All fields that are seen on the case across the application are configurable by organization. Depending on the data that will be needed, all of these items can be changed or customized for the verbiage of your business. Cases that are being worked by another individual can still be watched, so users can get notifications from a passive point of view rather than having to be an active participant. Stay up to date on all of the activity on your cases by watching that case. Some users will prefer the list view. The list view allows users to see all of their cases in a grid format. Columns can be dragged for a different layout and look to the list view, or additional items can be searched and added to the view. Any field that is available in your case can be added to the list view. You can even group by assignee or status. Some users may prefer the calendar view option, where you can see how all of your cases are laid out and when they're expected to be due. Cases that are overdue will be highlighted in red. Users can filter for the items that they are assigned or the items assigned to others to see what the workload would look like. The timeline view allows users to see all of the cases and how they relate to each other. So here we see what the start and end dates are for some of our cases, and we see the tails between them. The tails indicate that there is a dependency between these cases, and that may indicate a similar investigation. We can open the tail and find out more by opening the case. These tails can be manually added to link two cases together and associate those investigations. As simple as it is to view a case, it's even simpler to create one. By selecting the Create option, I have all of my 5 different issue types, a configurable issue type, and I have only one required field on my Create Issue screen. For some, you may want to have all fields are required. The benefit of a single required field is that I can add any information that I have. For example, a brief description. And then I can create my case. I can view that case and now return to it and add additional information as I have it. I can assign this to myself and set it to open, or I can even set an automation to make these functions happen automatically with no manual intervention. All systems have dashboards available. Dashboards can be created by users or be created and shared across an entire organization. This demo dashboard shows off some of the visualization options we have, including calendars, pie charts, and breakdown charts. Most importantly, we can see an introduction to Agilence Case Management, a configurable introduction box that allows us to communicate directly with our users and navigate them through the training process. We also have the assignment box that allows you to quickly see all of the cases assigned to you and the cases that you are watching. The home page of the Agilence Case Management System will be the Your Work page. Here you can see the case management project, along with the cases you've worked on, what you viewed that day or recently, the items that are assigned to you, and the starred views, dashboards, and filters that you've added. Agilence Case Management is your new home for case and incident management. Easily create your cases, work with your analytics systems, and keep your team moving towards your goals. Reach out to Agilence today for more information.